How to refund Cash App payment. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to refund Cash App payment. First, launch the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. Once you do that, go to the bottom menu where you will see several different options. From those options, the one we need is this one here at the bottom rightmost corner of the screen. This will take you to the activity page of Cash App, as you can see here. On this page, you will see all the payments and transactions you have made on the app. From them, make sure you look for the payment you would like to be refunded. After that, make sure you tap on it. Next, scroll through the payment details page just like you can see here. From the options that appear here, look for one named Cancel. Sometimes, if the person you have sent the payment to did not accept the payment, you can cancel the payment easily by tapping on the Cancel option. On the other hand, you can send a message to the person you sent the money to and ask them to refund it from their side. Finally, there is another solution. Come to the Profile section of your account by tapping on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the Profile section of your account, as you can see here. Next, scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach the bottom of the page. At the bottom of the page, there is an option named Support. Make sure you tap on it. Once you do that, this other page appears. On this page, there are more options that are related to support, where you can get solutions to issues you face on the app. From there, scroll down again and tap Payments. On this other page, some sections are related to payments. Go through them and come to the bottom of the page. At the bottom, there is an option named Contact Us. Under it, there is another one named Chat. Make sure you tap on it. Once you do that, a chat box appears where you are supposed to type a message explaining to the support team the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them clearly. You can also type what I have typed here. Hi, dear support team. I would like my payment to Ali, which was $50, to be refunded. Thanks. Kindly help me with that. This is because he did not deliver what he promised. Finally, send them the message and give the support team time. They will respond to you with a solution. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to refund Cash App payment.